Hi everyone, the best way to do so many repetitive tasks in Excel is using flash fill tool. Have you ever been frustrated with how tedious it is to type out the same thing over and over again? Well, you are going to learn what the flash fill tool does and why it is so helpful. You'll see some examples of how to use it and learn about some best practices for using it in your workbooks. And by the end of this video, you'll know when to use it and how to use it correctly. So let's see the uses of flash fill. So the use number one is to format data. As you can see here in Excel, I have some data. I have serial numbers here that I need to format. So I can use flash fill to do that. What I need to do is to just give it a pattern by entering some data here. Let's see how it can flash fill the others or autofill the others. So here I can enter maybe 81, then hyphen, then 47, hyphen, maybe 11, 606. Then I enter. As you can see, when I started typing the second cell, it autofills the list. So that's the use number one. If I click enter, it autofills the other cells. So that is how we can format data using flash fill. As you can see here is the flash fill icon. If I click on the drop down menu here, you can undo the flash fill. You can accept the suggestion here, and also see here select all 12 change selection, and that is what we have done. So that's the use number one. Use number two is to space data correctly. So here, as you can see, I have some data here in my Excel sheet. Here, as you can see, there are no spaces in this data, so I can use flash fill to do that, to correct the space. So I just need to give it a pattern. Let's try that. Rows space Asia. Then I enter. Let's see whether it has read the pattern on the second cell. Let's see. As you can see, it has auto read the others. So I just need to enter to autofill the list. So that's the use number two of flash fill, is to correct the space. So then use number three, I can use flash fill to combine data. For example, here, as you can see, I have some data in my Excel sheet. I have the country, then the abbreviation, and then the continent. So if I need to combine these data into one single cell, I can do that. What I just need to do is to just give the flash fill a pattern. So let me enter that data in the first cell, Laos, then space L space Asia. Then I enter. Let's see whether it has read the pattern in the second cell. As you can see, guys, the flash fill has automatically read our pattern. Then I click enter. So that's that. Use number four, how you can use flash fill, is to split data. So as you can see here, I have some mixed data. I have some mixed data of countries and continent. So if I want to split this, I can do that by using flash fill. So I just need to give it a pattern. For example, here for country, I can write Laos. Then I enter the second cell. If I try to type, as you can see, it has automatically read the pattern. So I can also choose not. And remember, guys, the shortcut key for flash fill is Control E. So if you use Control E, you can also get the autofill. So just enter and our data is correct. Then for continent, I just need to enter Asia to give it a pattern. Then the second cell, if I try to write Europe, as you can see, the rest is autofilled. Then I enter. Then the use number five, how you can use flash fill, is to append data. For example, as you can see in my Excel sheet here, I have some business names. Then I have the owners of the businesses. So I just want now to enter their address. So I can use flash fill to do that. I just need to give it a pattern, so I can enter on the first cell oceanic.james, then maybe at gmail.com. Maybe let's do that at gmail.com. Then I click enter. Then the second cell, let me try to type. As you can see, the flash fill has automatically led our pattern. So as you can see, the rest is autofilled. If I click enter, as you can see, everything now is okay. So that's the use number 5, how you can use flash fill to append data. The last use, which is number 6, I can use flash fill to reformat dates. As you can see in my Excel sheet, I have some unformatted dates here. So I need to format, I need to give flash fill just a pattern, and the rest will be filled automatically. So for example here, as you can see on the first cell here, unformatted date is 20th June 2022. Let's give it a pattern, 20th June 2022. Let's see whether it has read the pattern by entering the second cell. It has not yet read the pattern. Let's continue entering 21st June 2022. Let's see on the third cell. As you can see, it has read our pattern and everything now is okay. Then we click enter. So those are the 6 ways with different examples on how you can use the Excel flash fill tool. And the best thing about Excel flash fill tool is available in the Excel ribbon. You just click on data tab and you'll find it under data tools category. That's all I have in this video, and if you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to never miss on my future videos. Thank you for watching, and you are always welcome in my channel.